Hi there, I'm Ann Milano with House America Real Estate Group and Keller Williams, and welcome to Brookshade Subdivision. We're here at 150 Highland Oaks Court. Let's take a look inside.
150 Highland Oaks Court is located in North Fulton County in the suburb of Alpharetta, Georgia, a perfect place to get away from the hustle and bustle of the city. This 6-bedroom, 5.5 bath, beautifully updated custom-built ranch home with hardwood floors throughout all 3 levels shines with originality, making it one of a kind. As you enter the 2-story foyer, you are greeted by the arched entry leading to the formal living room with large windows, sky-high ceilings, custom built-ins, and luxurious black marble fireplace. The floor plan seamlessly flows to the banquet-sized formal dining room with lighted tray ceiling and elegant accents for those wonderful nights of entertaining with family and friends. As you continue through the home, you will find the perfectly renovated chef's kitchen with breakfast bar and exotic granite countertops, brand new cabinets, and top-of-the-line stainless steel Thermador appliances. The open view to the vaulted great room with cozy fireplace is the perfect place to end your day. Enjoy the separate breakfast area with circular tray ceiling. It's the perfect place for those quick morning breakfasts with the family. On the far end of the main level, you will find the huge master suite, which features a large sitting area and updated grand master bathroom with his and her vanities, granite countertops, separate jacuzzi tub, and huge glass enclosed shower. The 2 additional large secondary bedrooms are complete with Jack and Jill bathroom. The big bonus of this wonderful ranch plan is the hidden staircase off the kitchen that leads you to a large bonus room with sitting area and full bathroom. Let's head down to the terrace level. Here we will find a media room and bar that opens to the patio. We have 2 additional oversized bedrooms, plus a full kitchen with eat-in area. Let's take a look at the backyard. From the main level deck outside, you will find a luscious green wooded backyard. It is the perfect space to completely make your own. 150 Highland Oaks Court is conveniently located to 400 for an easy commute into Atlanta, downtown Alpharetta for dining out with friends and family, the trendy Avalon for dinner and a movie, and Publix for grocery shopping needs. For more information about 150 Highland Oaks Court, contact Ann Milano at 404-966-3980.